In this video, we are going to review Anytype versus Affine, two rising stars in the all-in-one productivity world. Which one should you choose in 2025? Now let's break it down. Starting with Anytype, it's built for people who care about privacy, ownership, and offline access. It works like Notion, but everything is local first. You create pages, link them together, and build your own custom workflows. With blocks and relations, the graph view is clean and the UI feels smooth and minimal. It's still in development, but even now, it's a solid option for building a second brain you fully control, and no cloud dependency. Now let's look at Affine, the open source powerhouse. Think of it as a mix of Notions, Miro, and whiteboard apps. It gives you documents, tables, and canvas all in one place. You can write structured content and manage tasks as you can see, and freely brainstorm ideas in a visual space. Plus, it's privacy focused and offline first too. With real time collaboration just around the corner, it feels more dynamic. If you are someone who likes both structure and visual creativity, this one is for you. So, which one wins? If you want secure, structured second brain with total data ownership, you can go with Anytype. And if you want flexibility, visual creativity, and a powerful hybrid workspace, you can go ahead with Affine.